Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. The Image Edge mobile app is installed and your camera firmware is compatible. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone so discovery works. Make sure the camera is in its wireless or smartphone connection mode. This exposes an SSID or starts an access point. Now open the app, choose Connect to Camera, and select the camera SSID. These first steps create the secure link that lets the app see image previews and control live capture. You should now move into pairing. Select the camera SSID shown on the device or in the app list and type the password exactly as displayed. If available, scan the camera's QR code for faster pairing. This reduces manual typing errors. Next, grant the app permissions: location for Wi-Fi scanning, storage for image transfer, and camera control for remote shooting, because without them, the app can't download files or change settings. Once paired, test live view so you confirm full control and preview accuracy. You finish by transferring a test image and trying remote capture to validate the workflow. After a successful transfer, enable auto-download or remote shooting settings that fit your workflow and organize incoming files into folders for faster access. If the connection drops, restart the phone and camera, recheck the SSID and password, and make sure no other device is hogging the Wi-Fi. As a key tip, toggle airplane mode, then re-enable wireless. This clears stale network states and often resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.